Honda, good morning. Twin Cessna 5227 Juliet, clearing runway 26 right, going over here to the Yanks parking area.
This is the 5227 Juliet, Chino, ground behind the outbound Cessna, taxi in the Alpha Juliet. Good night.
Okay, we'll do that, and I see the Cessna 172 coming out to 7 Juliet, thank you.
All right, we're clear. Here's the Cessna on the right. He's waiting for us, and clear on the left. Delta's clear left and right, and the runway is clear left and right. Yep. Alright, cross the runway, clear across. It is clear. There it is. Okay, let's put the brake on. Chino Tower 12604 in the run up short of 26 right, ready to go right cross into Ontario.
Cessna 12604, Chino Tower, stand by, traffic at initial.
We'll stand by for Cessna 604.
Cessna 604, cross runway 26 right, Papa.
Cross runway 26 right at Papa for Cessna 604.
Cessna 2901, traffic at a 3 mile initial, the North American Cessna 100 indicated, frequency change
Okay.
They're looking for left for change approved, Johnson. Got 33 left crossing approved.
Alright, cleared to cross.
Left crossing approved, got 33.
Cessna 600 Golf, turn base over the wash for departure.
Turn base over the wharf, 600 Golf.
Cessna 99 uniform, follow the aircraft ahead to your left over the power lines, believe it's Cherokee.
Following that traffic, 99 uniform.
Cessna 604, fly runway heading, runway 26 left at Papa, clear for takeoff.
Fly runway heading, runway 26 left at Papa, clear for takeoff for Cessna 604.
American Cessna 1, traffic north downwind, flight of 3 RVs. Break to follow them, you're number 4 for the runway.
Alright, we're clear to go, clear left and right. We're clear to go. Pictures rich, lights, camera, action. Good.
RV30 Delta traffic, flight traffic outside the wash at initial 2000 indicates the North American.
Inside, 3 Juliet Delta flight, thank you.
North American 771, break approaching, number 4, following flight of 3 RVs in the right base, runway 26
here we go.
I break approach and follow the right, clear to land, 26 right.
Okay, engine limits are good.
Wind com.
Airspeed's coming alive.
Job 33, number 2, following Cessna, wing up left base, runway 26 left, there's an option.
Number 2, looking for traffic, runway 26 left, under the option, job 33.
Cessna 99 uniform, 1 able to talk VFR, number 3, follow Cherokee, head on the down, runway 26 left, there's an option.
Instrument's good, pause the range.
Quick option, 26 left, number 3, 99 uniform.
RV30 Delta flight, turn right when able, contact ground point 6, kidding.
Right, Delta, ground point 6, 3 Juliet Delta in flight, thank you.
North American Cessna 1, base at your discretion, traffic for aircraft on the south side of parallel runway, runway 26 right, clear to land. Cessna 604, right turn approved, contact Ontario Tower 120.6.
Right turn approval over to Ontario Tower 120.6 for 604, thanks. Ontario Tower, good morning, Cessna 12604. We're just off Chino Airport. We're inbound, request multiple touch and goes, and we have Zulu.
Number 12604, Ontario Tower, make left traffic for runway 26 left, maintain at or below 2,500.
Left traffic for 26 left, maintain VFR at or below 2,000 for Cessna 604.
Cessna 604, in the pattern, maintain at or below 2,500.
At or below 2,500 in the pattern for Cessna 604.
Gainbird 6 Alpha Echo, Chino Tower, flight runway heading runway 26 right. Clear for takeoff.
Runway heading, clear for takeoff, Alpha Echo.
Observe Center Micro Cell, power line southbound. Approved. Traffic over Euclid under 71, southeastbound 2600 Cherokee.
Niner Michael, that's it.
That's not going out. Right.
Cherokee 3 Julia, traffic off to your right side in a mile, 2600, another Cherokee they had you at
Traffic side, full of Juliet.
Cherokee 3 Julia, frequency change approved.
Frequency approved. Cherokee full of Juliet, thanks.
Or 905 November, frequency change approved.
5 November, frequency change approved, thanks.
Observe Center Micro Cell, previous traffic now 12 o'clock in 2 miles, 2600 southbound Cherokee.
Niner Michael, locate. Short my GPS.
Tower to confirm 604, clear to land 26 right.
Affirmative, Cessna 604, runway 26 right, clear to land.
26 right, clear to land, Cessna 604.
Air 59 Hotel, traffic on a right face, parallel runway Cessna.
Hotel.
Cessna 604, traffic on final parallel runway Cessna.
604 inside.
I'm just Niner Mike Hotel, frequency change approved.
Niner Michael, see you soon.
Chino Tower, Cherokee 42477, holding short at 26 right and pop up for left close traffic.
There's the aircraft.
Air 42477, Chino Tower, hold short, runway 26 right.
Hold short, runway 26 right.
477. Gamebird 6 Alpha Echo, frequency change approved, on course approved.
Alpha Echo.
Let's get it lined up.
Five 7 Golf's ready to go for a left turn on 25.
Air 57 Golf, are you short at 26 right?
Yeah, I like him up the King Air go from.
Cherokee 621 Charlie November, Chino Tower, you gonna be ready?
Clear in about 30 seconds.
Cherokee 477, cross runway 26 right at pop.
Crossing runway 26 right at pop up. 477.
Air 57 Golf, hold short runway 26 right.
Hold short 26 right, 5 7 Golf.
Cessna 604, turn right at Kilo, chronograph.
About a kilo over the ground for Cessna 604.
Cherokee 477, follow Cessna upwind, left close traffic approved, runway 26 left at Papa, clear for takeoff.
26 left at pop up.
Yeah, thumbs up. Chino ground, Cessna 12604, 26 right at Kilo, taxi to Chino Aviation.
604 Chino, taxi via Kilo.
Taxi via Kilo for Cessna 604.